Hello, and welcome. Today we will be going over how to prepare the scanner for use with the Parts Wizard system. To prepare your scanner for use, first open the Scan Wizard application located on the home screen and make sure that Parts Wizard is open on the PC. Next, tap on Done Scanning to enter sync mode on the scanner. After a moment, the scanner should display Waiting on command. Go to the computer, and make sure the Sync Scanner button is blue and activated, and not grayed out. This will ensure that the scanner will sync with the PC successfully. Next, click on the download arrow in the upper right. Make sure inventory is selected, and click OK. Parts Wizard will download your current orders and inventory, and then automatically attempt to synchronize the inventory to the scanner. This process will be displayed in the download status window. When this process is completed, and the download status window disappears, tap Start Scanning on the scanner, and wait for the application to load. Once your scanner is prepared, you are ready to scan. If you have any questions, or wish for further training, please contact us. Our tech support line is available Monday through Friday 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern and 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. on Saturday. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.